Raise up.
I need
Somebody to hold her
somebody to hold, and I need somebody to wash. So I need
Okay.
somebody to hold the chest.
Or somebody, let Sharon wash her butt. Or,
Okay.
I can come wash her butt.
Okay, just do it.
Hold on. Okay, am I washing butt?
Put a little,
Okay, I'm gonna hold.
You wash.
It's okay. No, it's okay.
I get my food. She might try to get a real drink. Let me see if I can let her chew on my fingers. Oh, I feel a tooth. I feel a tooth.
Do you really?
Yeah, a little bit of soap.
Let me get some soap out.
Oh,
Is there
no,
any
I
more
got
soap, Reese?
Here, put a little water in it, Sharon. Screw the lid off. Here.
No.
Okay, here, look, screw the lid off.
And then put a little bit of water in here. Let me put a little water in it, Reese. I know I felt teeth. She's getting a tooth. I felt more than one, too. Okay, now shake that up, Reese. That's probably enough. Right here's one. Feel right there, Morgan. On the bottom.
She's doing good.
Okay, hold on, honey.
Oh, she is.
You got her. And then do we have some, don't we have some
She's so red
triple
right there.
antibiotic ointment we can
Yeah,
buy?
yeah, we
I
got
mean,
some
I
of
don't
that.
want to rub. I mean,
Oh,
we
there's
have-
that yellow.
rub
What
it
is
off.
that yellow
Get
ointment?
it as clean as possible. It's just
I
like
am, but I just don't want to pick. See, it's
okay.
so hard.
Let me
Yeah,
give you a little
rub.
water.
I got water here. I just don't want to rub too hard because I see how
No,
red it is.
I know, but if you don't get it off, then it's just like a baby.
Right.
Yeah.
Tube is down there.
Just
That yellow tube
Yellow
is,
tube.
see, I think
I'm
that's
so
the,
sorry, Cache, if I'm hurting you here, Morgan. Give me a little water here.
It's ointment.
yeah, I think that kind we can do.
Hey, honey, give me that baby shampoo again. Let me get some on my hand.
Good job, Cache. Good girl.
Hold on, no.